Guys, you may use any phone, Android or Apple latest one, 15 Pro Max with that 17 Pro chip. So, if you are using that, you'll notice heating issue after playing for 3 hours. Guys, it's pretty common in all the devices, all which causes your phone problems like deattach in the back panel, some camera issues, and electronic components inside your device may damaged. To solve this problem, you should use a gadget which can cool your phone. Yeah, you may say that I have liquid cooling system in my device and I'm good to go. But no. It's not good. It doesn't work. Then what is the remedy for that? So this is Spinbot and I'm going to unbox it and I'll give my honest review in this video. I just want to say it's made in China and you're watching MrTechie YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's get started. Guys, I have given basic information on heating issue, right? So, without wasting time, let's get start the unboxing first. So you have seen the unboxing. Now let me tell you my honest review on the device. Mobile cooler. It's compatible with iPhone, Android phone, any mobile. Guys, build quality is average in this, but the performance is higher, and you can see I am just used this for gaming purpose, and I done a gaming test too. You can see before playing I got some temperatures in my device, and after playing for 30 minutes I shifted to that device. I connected my mobile cooler and I played for another 30 minutes. You can see the results of before and after playing, and it remains pretty similar. So I just want to say that it's going good and it's working. Guys, in the market you may see plenty of the mobile coolers, but it's like budget friendly, so I just bought this one. And you may go to ROG phones here, that mobile cooler which is cost you 10 or 12,000, ROG company, OnePlus, and many more. You can see them here and with the present prices. In these we have two variants, one is wired and another wireless. So I prefer to go with wired one. I just want to stay safe because it may explode or it can dead sooner. So that's the reason I'm using wired one instead of wireless. If you are travel, then go for it. Both the devices comes with 6 months warranty. So go for wired one. You can plug in with your power bank and you're good to go. And also in the wired one, the noise and vibration comes. You can listen that and see how it sounds like. Whereas you don't get that much noise in the wireless one and vibration too. And guys, you can use this while editing, gaming, and guys, I connected this while shooting a video. How is it possible? Guys, it's possible because of the nut bolt screw-in hole. With that you can screw in with tripod. So it's up to you guys. I just gave my honest review on this. It's working. You can buy it. And that's it guys for today. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you don't, you can dislike my video and let me know in the comment section what's the reason behind that dislike. If for more videos, you can subscribe my channel. Come on, it's free of cost. You can do it, right? For more knowledge, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Wow.